Monarchs, in this week's video we have our first spooky nail set tutorial of 2022. I got my gel X kit from Amazon, a link is down below. Starting off with my nail tips, using my electric nail filer to file down the tips. Now to file down my actual nails, dusting off all that residue from filing down. This is the nail glue from the kit, very strong glue in my opinion. Going to start off with a decent amount of glue onto nail tip. Make sure it covers the whole nail base. When ready, press down firmly, making sure there's no air bubbles, and cure under UV lamp. We got the first nail done. Let's continue on with the rest of the nails. Perfect! Now time to cut them to our desired length using my nail tip cutter to do so. Grabbing both my nail filer and buffer, nail filer to make the tip straight from cutting the length, buffer to buff out the shine in preparations for nail polish, making sure you dust off all that residue. Now we are ready for nail polish. I'm using Sally Hansen nail polishes in the colors Camelot and White On from the Extreme Wear collection. Using White On for my thumb, middle, and pinky finger. Then using Camelot in my pointer and ring finger. Now for the ghost design, I was using a dotting tool, but it was easier to use the actual nail brush. I did one ghost on each nude nail. using black nail polish to add the eyes and mouth. The dotting tool was useful in this occasion. I also apologize for not having my finger in the frame. Here we have the nails almost done, applying my top coat onto all my nails and curing them after. Applying cuticle oil onto cuticle area, make sure you smooth it out. And voila, we got our spooky nail set done. Let me know in the comments below if you will do this set at home. Remember, link is down below for the Gelix kit I got from Amazon. Get your hands on the kit, it's super easy. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more spooky nail set this spooky season. How many times have I said spooky? See you guys next week. Bye!